To be honest, it was sort of luck. The executive responsible for this had a vision, all right? When we went to 352, what was really nice is while we were doing UAT, we had a chance to test out some of the new UX functionality, which was awesome. So we had a chance to play with space management. Well, the manager for the group happened to be there when I was playing with it and said, wait a minute, can you do this? Can we try this? And I said, sure, let's play with it a little bit. I got it to work. Within a few days, she put a stop on the current project, took 2 weeks to implement that new functionality, and then started the project back up again. But so that's how this whole project's evolved, is because one of the things that's really cool is some of the things that were that weren't available in the past now became available, and it was like, oh wow, these are some great tools. So what's really nice about Florida Power and Light is they're very agile. So they will adapt and overcome. And when there's something that can help them, they will stop and they will take that time to actually implement something, because they see the savings, they see the potential, the data collection. I mean, there's a lot of potential there. And working with them, it's kind of like we were able to leverage some of that stuff. I will give you a challenge. One of the challenges is, and this is really bad, is with all the new tools that continue to roll out every year, you have to kind of pick a point and just implement and then catch up later. And that's pretty much what we're doing. There's a lot of work that went into this stuff. The one particular piece, I didn't even realize it's been in operation 3 years now, and I think people take it for granted that it works as well as it does.